everyone! Welcome to the video. Today, we're tackling a super frustrating issue on Windows 11, the dreaded access denied. You don't have permission to access on this server error. It can stop you dead in your tracks when trying to open files or folders, but don't worry, we're going to fix it together with some simple steps. This error usually means your user account doesn't have the necessary permissions to interact with a specific file or folder, but we have several solutions to get you back in control. Let's dive right in. First, we'll check folder and file permissions. Right-click the problematic folder or file. Select Properties from the menu. Go to the Security tab. Here, you'll see a list of users and groups. Click Edit to change permissions. You might need to click Add to include your user account or even everyone for testing purposes. Grant full control to your account or the Everyone group. Click Apply and then OK. Test if the access issue is resolved. Moving on, if that didn't work, you might need to take ownership of the file or folder. Go back to the Security tab in Properties. Click Advanced. Next to Owner, click Change. Type your user account name or administrators into the box. Click Check Names and then OK. Make sure to check the box that says Replace Owner on subcontainers and objects if you're dealing with a folder. Click Apply and then OK. This will give you full control. Another common solution involves User Account Control, or UAC. Search for Change User Account Control Settings in the Windows search bar. Open it. Temporarily move the slider down to Never Notify and click OK. You'll get a warning about security risks, but this is just for testing. Restart your computer and see if the problem persists. Remember to set UAC back to its default setting afterward for better security. Sometimes, the simplest solution is to run the application or command as an administrator. If you're trying to open a program or perform an action that requires elevated permissions, right-click the executable file or shortcut. Select Run as Administrator. This often bypasses permission issues for that specific task. Next, consider your antivirus or firewall software. Occasionally, these security programs can be overly protective and block access to certain files or network locations. Temporarily disable your antivirus or firewall and try accessing the file or server again. If it works, you'll need to add an exception for that file or location in your security software settings. Remember to re-enable your security software immediately after testing. Finally, check for file encryption. Right-click the file or folder and go to Properties. On the General tab, click Advanced. Look for an option like Encrypt Contents to secure data. If this box is checked and you're not intentionally using encryption, uncheck it. You might need the original user's credentials to decrypt it if it was encrypted by another account. That's it for today's video. We've covered several effective ways to fix that annoying access denied error on Windows 11. I hope one of these solutions worked for you and got you back on track. If this video helped you, please give it a big thumbs up. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or found another solution that worked for you. Sharing is caring, so please share this video with anyone who might find it useful. Your support helps us create more helpful content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.